Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srinidhi and I hope you're all doing good. So this video is going to be a book reviewing video. I finished reading a book which is called as Don't Let Him In, which is written by Lisa Jewell, and I have this book right now. And this book needs a serious discussion because this is going to be a book review in my YouTube channel unlike any other. So let's jump into this video. Talking about this book, um this is a thriller novel, and the author is Lisa Jewell. And yeah, so before moving on into the ratings, let us discuss about this book. I think there are two parallel stories will be going on. One is with Martha and her husband, who's called as Alistair. Martha, and the one story focuses on Martha and Alistair. The second story focuses on Nina and a guy called as Nick. So these two stories goes parallel on, and we'll get to know more about this guy called as Alistair. वो कितना गंदा इंसान है, वो कैसा, like how he travels in his life. That's the, I think that's what this book focuses more on rather than getting into the plot. The main question is, did I like this book? No, I didn't like this book. I had a lot of expectation while buying this book. By just seeing this cover, I bought this book. I didn't have the idea that this book will disappoint me, but it did. So I've never felt that urge to finish a book until now. If you are a beginner or you are anyone who is into books, you want to read it, I don't know. There are like a lot of other good books than this book, dude, which will give you more satisfaction, more plots and twists than this book. I think wasting 500 pages of your life is, I think it's not good. People might have a different opinion about this book. I think my opinion is you might like this book, but what I'm trying to say is you have like a lot of better options than this book. Within 200 pages, within 300 pages, there are like very good books than this book. I don't give any hate for whatever books that I read, but this book is not worth my time, and I really felt very bad after reading this book because before the climax itself, you can't even call it as a climax. Before getting to the climax, a plot was discovered, everything was discovered, and for some reason, the story was going. I felt that the story is very slow. It's not at all fast paced. I've read in Pinterest that this is very fast paced. One sitting, no, it took me more than 1 week to finish it. I think I finished this book yesterday. Yes, and I've been continuously reading and in my college while going in bus. But this book to khatam hi nahi ho raha tha. I had that kind of opinion. But yeah, if you want to read, I would not recommend it. But there are like other very great thriller books, guys. You don't have to waste your time with this book. But there is no hate, okay? There's no hate. If you want to give a genuine try, you can try. You might even like it. My only opinion is there are like very other good books than this. So yeah, so stars for this book is 1.5 stars. The author did one good thing is, the author made me to hate that character so much. So you can say that the character building was good, but itna, like for 400 pages, I think the only character building was happening. So I think it's a big no for me. And yeah, but you are always welcome to read this book, and please do share your opinion on this book. And also, I have learned the lesson that don't judge a book by its cover. So that's one of this example. But yeah, if you read this book, please do share it on the comments so that I'll get to know your thoughts too. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video.